Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the ways to make a fortune in the fast-paced world of technology? Look no further. In this video, we will guide you through the exciting possibilities of making money with tech businesses in the near future. The year 2024 holds immense potential for entrepreneurs and aspiring business owners, with the tech industry set to achieve remarkable growth. By capitalizing on the latest advancements, you can navigate the ever-changing landscape and build a profitable business that paves the way to wealth and success. Embracing the world of technology offers endless possibilities for wealth creation. By starting a tech business, you position yourself at the forefront of innovation, where the potential for high returns is unparalleled. Do you know, it's 2024 and the tech industry is experiencing an unprecedented wave of innovation. From artificial intelligence to virtual reality, from blockchain to Internet of Things, cutting-edge technologies are disrupting traditional markets and creating new opportunities for entrepreneurs. First, you have to build a tech business. Now you are thinking which particular tech business you should start, right? Don't worry, I'm going to provide you some tech business ideas and I will explain those. Please watch this video until the end. In today's fast-paced world, technology continues to shape the way we live, work, and connect with each other. The startup scene is no exception, constantly evolving with innovative solutions that disrupt industries and generate substantial profits. As we look ahead to 2024, it's worth exploring the top 10 tech startups that are predicted to make a significant impact and secure impressive financial returns. From artificial intelligence to biotechnology, these startups are poised to shape the future. Let's delve into the world of cutting-edge technology and discover which startups are set to thrive. Number 1. SparkGen, accelerating clean energy solutions. SparkGen is on a mission to revolutionize the clean energy sector. By harnessing advanced materials and breakthrough technologies, SparkGen is developing cost-effective renewable energy solutions. They aim to pave the way for a greener future by creating energy systems that are highly efficient, affordable, and sustainable. With their innovative approach, SparkGen is poised to dominate the clean energy market, attracting investors from around the globe. Number 2. DataDive, unlocking the power of data analytics. DataDive is at the forefront of the data analytics revolution. They leverage cutting-edge artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to help businesses make data-driven decisions. By analyzing massive amounts of complex data, DataDive provides valuable insights to improve operational efficiency, enhance customer experiences, and drive business growth. With an impressive list of clients and a proven track record, DataDive is projected to witness substantial growth in the coming years. Number 3. Health Tech Solutions, disrupting healthcare technology. Health Tech Solutions is redefining the healthcare industry through their integrated technology solutions. They are leveraging artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and telemedicine to improve patient care, optimize medical processes, and increase accessibility to healthcare services. Their innovative platform connects patients, doctors, and healthcare facilities, creating a seamless and efficient healthcare ecosystem. With their transformative approach, Health Tech Solutions is paving the way for a more patient-centric and technologically advanced healthcare system. Number 4. Robotech, revolutionizing robotic automation. Robotech is a leading player in the rapidly growing field of robotic automation. They specialize in developing intelligent robots for industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. By combining robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, Robotech is creating robots that can perform complex tasks with precision and efficiency. Their advanced automation solutions are set to disrupt traditional industry processes and drive significant cost savings for businesses. Number 5. EdTech Innovations, transforming education with technology. EdTech Innovations is revolutionizing the way we learn and acquire knowledge. They are leveraging technology to create interactive and personalized learning experiences. Through their platforms, learners have access to a wide range of courses, resources, and tools that cater to their individual needs and learning styles. EdTech Innovations aims to bridge the gap in education and provide equal opportunities for all. With the increasing demand for online education, this startup is positioned for remarkable growth. Number 6. FinTech Solutions, redefining the financial landscape. FinTech Solutions is reshaping the financial industry by integrating technology, convenience, and security. With their innovative payment solutions, digital banking platforms, and blockchain-based systems, FinTech Solutions is making financial transactions faster, more secure, and more accessible. Their disruptive approach has the potential to transform traditional banking and provide greater financial inclusivity for individuals and businesses. Number 7. Biogen, pioneering biotechnology breakthroughs. Biogen is at the forefront of biotechnology research and development. They are focused on discovering and commercializing groundbreaking therapies and treatments for a variety of diseases. With their cutting-edge gene editing techniques, precision medicine advancements, and drug discovery platforms, Biogen is pushing the boundaries of healthcare and offering hope for patients worldwide. As the biotech industry continues to expand, Biogen is poised for impressive growth and innovation. Number 8. Travel Tech Ventures, revolutionizing the way we travel. Travel Tech Ventures is transforming the travel industry by integrating technology and enhancing customer experiences. With their innovative travel booking platforms, personalized recommendations, and immersive travel experiences, Travel Tech Ventures aims to make travel planning and exploration more seamless and enjoyable. As the world starts to recover from the pandemic, this startup is projected to be a major player in the travel industry's rebound. Number 9. Agritech Solutions, advancing sustainable agriculture. Agritech Solutions is tackling the challenges of food production and sustainability through their innovative agricultural technologies. By optimizing farming methods, utilizing data-driven insights, and implementing smart farming practices, Agritech Solutions aims to increase crop yields, reduce environmental impact, and improve food security. With the growing demand for sustainable agriculture solutions, this startup has a promising future in the agri-tech sector. Number 10. CyberSec Defense, protecting digital assets. In an increasingly digitized world, cybersecurity is crucial. CyberSec Defense specializes in providing robust cybersecurity solutions to protect businesses from cyber threats. With their advanced threat detection systems, real-time monitoring, and proactive security measures, CyberSec Defense helps organizations safeguard their digital assets and defend against sophisticated cyber attacks. The ever-growing concern for cybersecurity makes CyberSec Defense an essential player in the tech startup landscape. These tech startups are poised to disrupt industries and shape the future of technology. Keep an eye on these innovative companies as they pave the way for transformative advancements. With technology being the driving force behind the economy, numerous startups and established tech companies are thriving. By identifying the right niche, staying ahead of the curve, and making calculated investments, you too can build a profitable tech business in 2024. We hope you've gained valuable insights on how to navigate the ever-expanding tech industry and capitalize on the boundless opportunities it presents. Remember, by diving into the world of tech businesses, you position yourself at the forefront of change and innovation, paving the way for a prosperous future. Embrace the advancements, keep an eye on the latest trends, and take action to turn your tech-based business ideas into reality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon to stay updated with my future videos. Bye bye, take care.